everybody, and welcome to Living Uniquely You, myself, Sharon Brown, the Soul Connector. I am coming in today to bring in that beautiful energies of the spring equinox. We have very, very high vibrational energies coming in this week. We had the start of the new year in the astrology chart yesterday. We also have the spring equinox today, depending on what part of the world you are. It's the equinox, and then we will have a full moon at the end of the week. So it is really very high vibrational energies coming in this week. So I'm bringing in the spring equinox energy so we can see and open the doors of opportunity and allowing those new beginnings to unfold, and for us to recognize them as new beginnings, because sometimes we get so caught up that we don't see the stuff that's in front of us. And it's about us really embracing those new beginnings and allowing us to really open up to the opportunities that are available for us. So I'm going to ask you to take a deep breath in. So calling all your energy back from people, places, situations, time and space. So all the way back through that divine filter of pure love and light. So you're going to unhook, you're going to unleash from everyone and everything. So all the way back through that divine filter of pure love and light. So you're going to unhook and unleash from everyone and everything through that divine filter of pure love and light. And all the way back through that divine filter of pure love and light. And breathe out. Take another deep breath in. And just allowing your energy, nobody else's, just your energy, fully drop into the here and the now and your I am presence. So just dropping into the here and the now. And breathe out. Take another deep breath in. Acknowledge how you're feeling, not wanting to change anything, and letting go of that energy of expectation, whatever that looks for you. Dropping that energy, whether it's yours or somebody else's. Just fully dropping that energy of expectation. And breathe out. Bring your awareness to your heart, and as you bring your awareness to your heart, visualize 3 big golden roots coming out of your heart chakra, into your solar plex, your navel, your sacral, your root, your hips, your legs, your feet, the floor, right down into your earth star chakra, through the dolphin matrix, into that inner cities, right down into that whale matrix, and dropping into the core of Mother Earth. Feeling your energy and Mother Earth's energy combining as one, and feeling this energy move up into your whale, your inner city, your dolphin, into your Earth Star Chakra. Pulling your Earth Star Chakra all the way down. Right down into that center of the crystalline grid, all the way down, allowing you to fully anchor your energy into your rightful place, feeling your roots wrap around the crystalline grid, fully anchoring in your energy. And feeling the second part of the grid come up to fully seal in your Earth Star Chakra. Feeling this energy move up into your feet, your root, and your heart. Doing a 360 degree around your heart chakra. Now I'm calling in the energy from Source. Pure, unconditional love of the highest vibration. Dropping right down into your stellar gateway. Clearing anything that's stopping you from having divine connection. Into your soul star chakra, so you can see, sense and feel your true soul's path, and allowing that to fully illuminate in front of you. Into your causal chakra, so your intuition can be fully heightened. Into the crown of your head, so you can think more clearly. Into your third eye, so you can see more clearly. Into your ear chakra, so you can hear divine guidance. Into your throat chakra, so you can speak your truth with pure love and light. into the higher heart, connecting into that universal energy of 5D and allowing you to anchor that within your life and body, into your heart, so you can love you. You can see you. You can see your beauty inside and out. Into your solar plex, so you can unleash your true divine masculine energies, allowing them to fully balance within the body. And fully accepting yourself no matter what. Into your navel chakra, so you can connect into that universal energy of oneness, oneness to all, connection to all, and allowing you to anchor that within. Into your sacral chakra, so you can unleash your true divine feminine energies, allowing them to fully balance within the body. And remember and reawakening your true gifts and talents, who you truly are. Into your root chakra, so you can bring in the abundance of life and all life has to offer. Into your hips, your legs and your feet, so you can take any necessary steps forward, right down into your Earth Star chakra and into the core of Mother Earth. Feeling this energy move up into your feet, your root and your heart, doing a 360-degree around your heart chakra, feeling your energy, Mother Earth's energy and Father Sky's energy combining as one. And feeling this energy move to every part of your body, every part of your being, allowing you drop right down into that stillness, into that oneness, into that 0 point, where nobody needs anything from you, nobody wants anything from you. This is your time and your space. So just allowing, fully dropping in to the here and the now. I'm just going to bring these codes in so you can see the opportunities that are in front of you, allowing you to step into that energy of new beginnings, leaving the past behind us and concentrating on the future. Kia te asite no ni apatana nakatiana nete si apatada nakatele ichi ono na mase le iki katana nakata saku le ichi na nata tuye. Kuna ne ya mama katale iki kata si apatana nakatelo onye te si apatana nakatele iki katana nakata su ieti ya mama katale iki kasu ye na sune. Kalala matala akune ne sia matala nakate yana nakatale iki kata su kelelele matala aku ke. No yamana nakate yana nakate sia patana nakatele yana nakate yata su le ya mama makate sia patana nakate yana nakatele nakatu ye yamu ye yamana na ya pata yamana nakate sia patana nakatele ya mama tu ya. Sia mama katiyata sia patana nakatalia na nakatiyata sia todo no ya mama ala ya na ya mana na nyen Telele mayama mata sia patana nakatele I nata suke. Kalala matia sia patana nakatele I chini ne sia patana nakatele I kika tu. Sia mama sona ne ye sia nanatu. Kelele ne yata sia patana nakatele I kika ta su ye. Da su ye. Da su ye. Da su ye kule sina mana kuna say ye. Now feeling your chakras being spun 3 times to the right. Kasa, ne, note. 3 times to the left. Ku, na, yete. And 3 times to the right again. Ka, na, sele, yone, matala, ana, kuye, de, se, na, koye. So I'm going to ask you to cross your hands over your knees and fully anchor that beautiful energy in, and just allowing yourself to see the new beginnings, the opportunities that are there right in front of you, and allowing yourself to embrace them. This is a very powerful, magical day, so just embrace the beautiful energy. Guys, thank you for watching this. Thank you for watching the replay. And of course, if you would like to work with me on a one-to-one basis, please DM me. Have a magical day, guys, and I will talk to you all again on Friday. Take care. Bye.